Devlog. Yeah, it's been a long time actually since we did a devlog. So yeah, now I'm back with the part 6. Yeah. Well, I did actually kind of adjusted to some things, and yeah, right now we do actually have a new mic, an external mic, and I think it would give us a better audio. Yeah, just give me a sec. Just give me a second, set everything up, and I also need to prepare some other stuff. Yeah, actually, this mic is pretty awesome. It's pretty cool, actually. Well, yeah. So comment down below if my voice can is now much more clear, or I don't know. As for the mixer, etc., I don't know actually on how you do that. But I think I still need to install a good mixer, to isolate the outside noise, because this mic is pretty sensitive, still sensitive. So when the dog barks, you can still hear the dog barking, right? Yeah, give me a sec, okay? Oh yeah, I still need to fix. I still need to fix my YouTube channel again because YouTube. I mean, I need to edit the my content in YouTube. So just give me a second, okay, guys? And yeah, but yeah, I think as you can see on the screen, we did reach our follow goal, right? We had 5 new followers, and shout out to you and to you guys, and thank you. So next, of course, we would level that follow goal, right? And I assure you guys do follow me. I don't know, for well, if you don't like my contents, and if you want to see something more or see something improved, my suggestion box is always open in my channel. Okay? Yeah, looks like I really need to work on a new headset right now, or I don't know. Yep, the mic is very sensitive. Like it can detect all the noises I make. So I can show you this one. Yeah, so this is my channel, and we need to fix. Yeah, you can see there that TFT night again. Let's go. That's not supposed to be. Let's change that real quick with the ones in my. I mean, I did save some templates. Yeah, for my Twitter account, I think I'll activate them again next time. Not sure. Anyways, there you go. For the tags. Oh yeah, I did receive a comment that I need to explain the code a little bit more. So, well, I'll try to explain the code, but in my please do note the way I explain it is the way that I got it. Okay, I mean the way that I understood it. Okay, and I do see some sense in on how I understood these things. So that's why I have the confidence to present. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, but I'm not gonna explain it like a super explanation because I'm guessing if you want to use Laravel as a framework for web development or etc. Oh yeah, well Laravel is totally for web dev, right? Right? I guess so. But yeah, I'm guessing if you're gonna use Laravel for web development, I mean at least you already know the logic of coding, right? So yeah, okay. So first things first, like everything, open CMD. Oh shucks, that's MD. What's MD? I forgot to type C. Oh god, wait, what did you open? Oh my gosh. So yeah, just type there. Well, the mic is kinda getting in the way of my keyboard. Wait, let's give this a more. Oh, you can do this. Hold on, okay, guys. I think I'm gonna set this on top or below, like that. Yeah, sorry. This is my first time having this kind of mic and first time streamer. So there you go. In here, just type PHP artisan serve. If you're gonna ask why is it PHP artisan serve, it's syntax. Okay, it's syntax. This is like telling PHP to start the server. Okay. When I say it's syntax, what I mean is it's supposed to be like that. And let me further my explanation by saying if it's supposed to be that like that, it's totally like that. I mean, you can't use your own when it's the syntax, cause I mean, cause in the olden days when you use English, you can't you can't speak Tagalog and say that it's English, right? Cause English has their own grammar. So grammar is syntax, and yeah, you get it. Wait, let me open my restream chat so I could see if there's someone gonna chat in my YouTube. Anyways, oh yeah, I almost forgot. We're gonna change our follower goal because we did reach our goal, right? So how can I change it? Oh god, can I change and goal? Because we have reached our goal. Congratulations to everyone, and thank you to the recent followers. So right now we're gonna set our goal to birthday sub, birthday follow. So at least can I get some 10 new followers? Or I don't know, let's say 20? At least 20, right? And this is the this is personal information, but I can share it to you guys. So because I am having my birthday on November 10. Yay! Start goal. Visual settings, really? We can change that. Okay. Background color. Yeah, white will do. White will do. Source, what's this? I don't know. Done. Anyways, guys. Yeah, thank you for the recent followers. Anyways, oh sorry. I do need to improve. I do need to improve in what's this? In my outro and intro. Because as far as I see it, some YouTubers or streamers do use some intro and outro like a video, where in my place I just click on start stream then end stream. But anyways, back to the topic. So click enter on that. Oh, could not. open input file artisan. That means we are not inside the project folder of Laravel. So type dir to list all the, to list the directory, and cd into the inventory system. Okay, so I can give you a much more clear example, clear definition on why that did not work. It didn't work because in the directory before, the Laravel project, the Laravel system is not there. So, like the system is saying, what are you saying? You're in the wrong place. It's like that, okay? So now we're in the system. Sorry, I typed the wrong command, which is clear. It's supposed to be cls. Clear is for Linux systems. Clear? Yeah, I think it's clear. Oh my god, I really need to do a recap though. Okay, so here we go. So in here, let's type php artisan serve, just serve, okay? So I'm gonna go to SAMP and then start those two. Now we are ready to proceed with our, yeah, with our development. Just give it time. Well, actually, later, guys. I think I'll spend an hour and 30 in developing, and maybe later we can play some League of Legends. Well, I'm still gonna test if without the game booster, it can speed things up. Anyways, so yeah, we still need to improve the loading speed of our system. There we go. Now, oh wow. So where did we stop last time? Employees, suppliers, customers. Yeah, I think we're done with the edit part, right? Of the alike modules. Oh, except user. We don't have any user. So there we go. Yeah, I think we're just about the. I think we just finished the employees, suppliers, customers, and warehouse module, right? This is disabled because we don't have any use for it yet. Yeah, anyway, so our next task would be, what will be our next task, right? I think we can now go to the more complex modules, which is the orders, but I think I already finished the orders module. Since this is a project that is, what they call this? Just a continuation project. I'll explain the orders module to you, okay, guys? And as well as the code. So we'll do a step by step, okay? I'm gonna open a docu for you guys to understand it much better, or a notepad, because yeah, just a notepad for now. So we are in, let me zoom that in. We are in orders module, right? We're gonna do this today. First things first is I'm gonna explain to you the logic or process of this module, okay? And then once we're done with that, I'm gonna explain the code. Explain the code. Yeah, so first thing is we go to the logic or the process. Okay, there you go. 1. We can divide it by 1, 2, 3, so I can explain the code by 1, 2, 3 also. Okay. So, oh no 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 no. I think I got something much more better. We do have a document here in our what do you call this? In our fucking parent directory, whatever. I can show it to you, no problem. Product deactivation. Really, really, really. Sign my account in, dude. Oh, sure. Bye, bye. Yeah, so Microsoft, if you would be so kind, please sponsor my vlog. Lol. So yeah, the ones here on top is like it's actually useless now because this is from the past. I mean, like, so yeah, I think I'm confident in erasing it already. Assumption establishment is a distributor of products. Yeah, that's totally true. Finish task. So we can already say that assumption. So employees in products module. Bullet that one. Another bullet. Then change our font color to green, since green, if you add some sense to it, green is good or success, right? Or at least something good, and success is good, right? So there we go. Modules not finished, not yet finished. Oh wait, we haven't updated it. I mean, wow, why didn't we update this system? Dude, how do you how do you do that? No, because I've tried this one time. Was it control enter? Oh no, no. Was it? Oh god, I don't know how to. Dude, dude. Hmm. Yeah, whatever. We can do this already, right? Products module. Why did you erase the module? Yeah, I think you can't see it, right? So I'm gonna zoom in because I did have a new setup for my computer table because of this mic. So the computer is a bit far. There you go. And then modules not yet finished. Oh, come on. Warehouse that it's already I mean products is already replaced by warehouse. So modules not yet finished is okay. There we go. There we go. Mm, we can call this similar modules. Similar modules. They are now finished, ready for testing. And then get all that, highlight that to green. So modules not yet finished. Users. Hold on, okay. So users, yeah, that's not done. Login logs when profile is clicked. Okay, hold on. Hold on, okay. Give me a minute. Hold on, okay, guys? Anyways, guys, let's go back here. So the module's not yet finished is the users module. Oh god, I need to capitalize the first letter. And the login. The login logs when profile is clicked, or I'm not yet sure on what feature will be in here, but for the meantime, login logs would be like a better temporary feature over here. I mean, when I click that, I'm thinking maybe a model would be nice, and it will just present like the logs. What other word for logs? I mean the past logins of the user ASD, right? Yeah, that's the feature that I'm still thinking of. The next is the home. Actually, the home, my design for the home is still optional. Hold on, hold on again. Hold on, okay. Yeah, so anyways guys, let's get back to this one. Well, we can safely remove warehouse here now. Yeah, I think we can safely remove this one. But I'm thinking we should remove this one on the last part once we are on the finishing part, right? So I guess we'll move to orders. Now orders here is let's say the main module, I guess. So let's first create some scrap here, okay? Some additional notes there. So orders module, right? Orders module. Now the orders module has view orders from supplier and view orders from customer, and as well as in the add new order function we do have some from supplier, from customer. Well, the reason why I divided these two is to be more code efficient, and yeah, totally we're focused on the code efficiency here. Because imagine if we add another tab here that is order from suppliers and then order from customer, right? That's like I mean, they're still the same. Why not combine them in a module? I mean, since they can still use the same database, and just divide them from there. So first is view orders from suppliers, right? So we have view orders from suppliers. What this means is self-explanatory. These are orders that came from the suppliers, right? I mean, orders from supplier, few orders from customer, right? Yeah, I think we're just a bit lost in its description. That came from the suppliers. Because if that's the case, we're not a distributor. I mean, assuming the whole system is gonna be used by a distributor, right? So if we say that the view orders from suppliers are orders that came from the suppliers, I think that wouldn't make us as a distributor, but more likely as a what's higher than a supplier? Well, I don't know, but you see what I mean, right? We're I mean, the system is being used by someone that is higher than a supplier. So I think we should rename this. Well, I think not. I think not, because we can also say that these are the orders that came from suppliers, which means these are the products that came from the suppliers, or we as a distributor, these are our orders from the supplier. So hey supplier, can you send me 1 box of shampoo, like that? You get it, right? I mean, that's clear, right? So another example, I mean, so okay, let's add another bullet there, and we'll say here, for example. Oh, we're still in bold font anyways. Yeah, there we go. So there, for example, I'm the distributor. My name is ABC. That is, oh no, I think it's better if we create another bullet. So ABC, right? That is the distributor. I mean, this is this is us, the distributor, the distributor of products, to be more to be more specific, the distributor of products, right? So the distributor of products sends like a order form to supplier. Now, uh, now this will be received by. Oh, sorry. Let's zoom out a bit. Okay, received by ZXZ, which is the supplier, right? Okay. So you get my point, right? So we as a distributor, we're just gonna send an order form to the supplier. That's the use of orders that came from the supplier. So let's create another one. This is view orders from customers. View orders from customer. And cut that one. And then these are orders that came from the customer. Hold on, give me another sec. Yeah. Anyways, so we're gonna create another example here for you guys to better understand it. So yeah, it's still the same. Still the same. I mean, but this time we're gonna start with the customer. The customer is QWERTY. QWERTY. So this is the customer, right? The customer sends order form to, is this supplier? I mean, no, not to supplier, but to us, the distributor. To us, the distributor. Distributor. There we go. So it will be received by ABC, since that's the name of the company or the distributor. And this is of course us, right? The distributor of products. There. And of course, if whenever whenever we create a form for both from suppliers or from customers, the form would be automatically have a status of what do you say? How can you say this? Pending, since it's still pending, right? Yeah, for the status, I still don't have anything on that for the database. But anyways, you get the logic, right? So next is the code. Where is the code? So we are in orders, right? Let's just find the blade for it. This is the blade, and let's find the controller. There we go, orders controller. So this part here is the table for the suppliers. If you want to see the orders from suppliers, this is the table for it. And let me zoom in a little bit more. And this is for the orders from customers, right? You can see on how I printed it. Well, I think I need to explain this to you guys because I don't know with you, but yeah, this is Laravel actually. This is syntax again, okay? So don't ask why is it like that. It's syntax, most especially this one, okay? But you actually get it that this is a for each loop, right? And then you're gonna ask, where did this come from? It actually came from the controller here, okay? It came from the controller. Let me find the variable for you. There we go. Get soup orders. You see it, right? Over on cost. So this is it. So it returns to this part. I mean, it stores, I mean, the variable is still the same and the data inside the variable is still the same. And then we just transfer each value to print cost so we can print it. So until such time that there is no more data inside this variable, we'll just keep printing, and when there is no more data, we'll end the for each loop. So you're gonna ask, but how did that work? I mean, how how is the process of it? I mean, uh, how did it return here, right? Or how can I access it by just printing this one? Well, of course, that's not the. I mean, I didn't just simply put this code here and it worked, right? It has something to do with another Ajax call. So I created an Ajax call to trigger whenever the page loads immediately. And if you can remember our web or our routes file here, I do have some get methods that is, wait, where is it? Here we go. I have some get methods that whenever the user accesses this URL slash orders here slash orders, it will call the file orders controller, specifically the function index. So there you go. The call has been initiated, right? And then how did it like reply? I used return view. This means that I'm gonna return this. I'm gonna return it to the view or the blade or the file named orders. That's why orders that blade can access it. And then compact, which means I'm not sure about the meaning of compact, to be honest. I just use compact when I'm gonna return more than one variables. Okay, so these are variables. Yes, these are variables, and that's how you basically do it. That's the process. So yeah, that's the process. I think I'll create here. I'll create a document here that um, process for making a return call process or logic for making a return. First step, I think we can safely do a 1 2 3 there. So first step is, what's the first step? Ajax call that triggers on page load. Second, now that we have triggered a call from the blade file, or yeah, we call it the blade file, okay? I mean, I don't think that I need to explain what is a blade file, okay? So once you have triggered a page on page loader, okay? So you have okay. Uh, okay, I think I keep saying okay a million times. Anyways, so now we're gonna go to I mean no, create a route in web.php, and then once that's done, create the file, create the controller, and or create the function, right? Because the reason why I said and or, because you might not know. I mean, if you don't have the controller, then you need to create a controller, and then you can create the function. And then in the controller, create the return function, right? Because if you don't return anything, then you won't access anything. And then in the blade file, print the values. That's the step. So I think we can create an analogy on this one. Ajax call that trigger Ajax call. So first we need an Ajax call that triggers on page load, create a route in web.php, create the controller or create the function. In the controller, create the return function. In the blade file, print the values, right? So let's say like a telephone, like on how you call someone. Ajax call that triggers the page on load. So I think what that means is, I don't know how to create an analogy in this, but I'm gonna try. Give me a minute. Ajax call that triggers on page load. I think in here we're gonna open our phone, right? We're gonna open our phone. Ajax call that triggers on page load. We're gonna open our phone, create. I mean, on our phone, the number of the recipient is already there. We create the route in web.php. What that means is we're already gonna dial the recipient's phone number. And then next is create the controller and or create the function. What that means is we're gonna wait for the recipient to answer. I mean it's ringing. It's still ringing, right? Okay, in the controller, create the function, create the return function. What that means is the recipient will now answer. And then in the blade file, print the values. What that means is me as a caller will now receive the replies of the recipient. Okay, I think that's the best analogy that I can came up. I mean, but you get the logic, okay? So next. So for the rest, I mean, actually, all I can say is it's just syntax. It's seriously, it's just syntax. You can go to laracast.com and then watch the whole video. Laracast.com. Oh gosh. Oh my, why am I using the VPN? Turn it off. Yeah, hopefully Opera browser, please do subscribe me. I will greatly make an advertisement for you. So yeah, here we go. Here we are in Laracast. Just view courses. Well, wow, they got bigger actually. So yeah, here, scroll down, click on Laravel from scratch, and there you go. Just click on begin, and yeah, there. This is actually it. Cause right now I'm actually getting into the code immediately. Cause I think, well, I never finished this personally. Okay, I never finished all the videos because what do you call this? I first witnessed Laravel when it was our IT project, and yeah, I'm not a fan of watching long videos or reading pages in the web. I don't like reading actually. What I do is when I want to learn something, I want the hands-on activity immediately. Like almost immediately, I want the hands-on. Don't give me the terms, etc. Because for sure I will forget it. Yeah, but everything's in here actually. From at a glance, from starting your first Laravel project, etc. Yeah, I think authorization is something good for our login, but yeah, like I'm not a fan of watching stuff. But if you are really into Laravel, I suggest starting here at laracast.com. Let's type that again, and you can see on how I navigated through their website. So browse courses, just scroll down, click on Laravel from scratch. Ooh, they also have the Vue.js, but yeah. Then just click on begin. Yeah, you can sign in. Totally sign in. Oh yeah, everything is free actually. It's free. Everything's free. Yeah. Anyways, going back. Well, for that, now that you know the logic behind it, and actually the add new order. Okay, so from the supplier, you already know. You already know the mindset. Okay. The mindset of as a distributor or as the user. So I'm gonna order something from Twitch, okay? So the order date is, let's say, now, and then the delivery date that they told me is by the end of this week, so possibly Saturday. So product name. What in this product list actually? The product name. Oh dear, oh dear, what have I done actually? Sorry, cause the product name is supposed to be linked to the supplier, right? Because it won't make any sense if the product listed here is not from the supplier, right? It simply doesn't make sense. So let's try to double check if it. There we go. Lotions and QWERTY. I think okay, we have some error there because our error here is it just appends the data. It doesn't removes the data inserted before, right? So let's try to fix that one. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog later, going to Burnham Park, etc. I'm too lazy to do anything. Anyway, so that's that. Supplier product from supplier, cancel sub orders. We're in from supplier, right? Yeah, from supplier. Add supplier order. Yeah, I think this is it. Oh, this Ajax here will trigger when the user already clicks on the add button. Product name. Okay, here it is. So ID is that one. Okay, oh yeah, here you can see it already, right? So I think, well, I can't actually change it to .html, because if I change it to .html, meaning like this one, .html, it's gonna replace every time. That is bad, because what if there is more than one product under that supplier, right? So what this means, it's gonna replace the first option, then the second option, then the third option, until it reaches its end. So this should be append. What we should do is we should clear the sub product name whenever the, what do you call this, whenever the supplier establishment name changes, right? So we can do that by, okay, so the trigger is already here, so we can just say in here that remove that one, and then just say that HTML. Hopefully this works. And then add from supplier, Twitch, lotions, right? So YouTube, lotions QWERTY. Twitch again. Oh god. Well, it still doesn't work. How do you remove the options, right? Hmm. 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 Give me a second, guys. I need time to think. Hmm. Yeah, I'm easily distracted actually. Anyway, so that HTML, it doesn't work, right? But it does get the, what do you call this? I mean, it does get the values. So what if we place it right there? Twitch, lotions, YouTube. I think it still doesn't work. So we have another lotion, right? So how? Oh fuck you! How do you clear? Like options. How do you clear options using jQuery? Remove all the options in the select box. Yes, we need this. jQuery practical test, whatever. Oh, that empty? Really? red, blue, green, white. Ooh, so that empty, really? Okay, okay. So that empty, that append. Ah, okay, okay, okay. I get it. So as you can see, it's that empty. So if you want an explanation, why is it that empty? I mean, why did I use that empty? Well, you can ask jQuery actually. Ask jQuery because, like I said, it's syntax. What it means is it empties the options tag. Okay. See, QWERTY, Twitch, lotions. Right? Is it correct? I think we just need to put it on top. Dot empty, and we need to replace it with what? With that append. Yeah, we still need to use that append and then put an option is select option like that. So I'm gonna go back to the options tag. Yeah, I get this one. Yeah, I think we're gonna do our first vlog later. Yeah, but please do. I mean, what do you call that? I don't know how you call that. Uh, my God, what's the English of abangan? I forgot my English. Oh, okay. So later, guys, please look forward to my channel. I'm gonna post a vlog there because later I'm gonna try to jog, okay? And maybe I can show you around here in Baguio. I think I said that already before, but I never did it because I got too lazy. And actually the rain is pretty strong now, kind of getting strong. So yeah, there are lotions. YouTube. There. Okay, no, it works, right? No, it works. Yay, no, it works. Anyways, and if you are curious on what's going on in there, why is it raining? I think there's a storm about. There's another storm about to hit. Do we call that typhoon? Typhoon near Philippines. Because I am from Philippines, obviously. I'm not gonna search this shit if I ain't in Philippines. Yeah, we don't trust Rappler. Fuck Rappler. I hate that kind of. I hate that media. You know. Pag-asa. Do pag does Pag-asa have Typhoon Kinta issued on October 27, Kalayaan Islands. There we go. Hmm. So, what? I mean, when will the storm hit actually? What? Okay, actually, I don't get it. I don't get this anymore. But yeah, you can see that it's totally fucking big. Oh god. Yeah, so it's gonna hit under some parts in Upper Luzon. What? Okay, I don't get it. Yeah, anyways, yeah, you get the idea. There's something about to hit us. Anyway, so now that's done. Let's continue testing. We ordered it today. We're gonna expect it at the end of the week. Lotions, quantity, 10, size. I mean, the size will only be piece. And we need to create something much more good of a title here. So click on add. It doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Yeah, anyways, wait, what? There's no transaction being, I mean, there's no event being issued. Oh wait, there is, which is console.log data only. Okay, so we haven't really touched this. Oh, okay. Wait, what? So it does work, right? God, it ain't responsive. Okay, so it doesn't really work. Yeah, totally doesn't work. Let's try to debug that. Local php my admin, right? Php my what? No, localhost slash php my admin. Localhost slash php my admin. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna go to orders. Hold on, give me another second. Mm. Yeah, totally. We're gonna try to think. Yeah, I think we're not gonna go into so much coding today. We're just gonna go with some analysis part, I guess. But I think we just finished the analysis part, right? So I think the problem here is somewhere in the routes. So post, right? Post orders controller at add order function, and then what's this? What's what? What's this? I've I've already forgotten my own code. My God. Get user. Okay. This is. I mean, I've been telling you guys to always practice coding standard because it will really benefit you. Like for example, right? You remember I kept saying on what's this, but from the what do you call this? From the variable name itself, I can already say that this code will get the username, right? The username currently logged in into the system. So yeah, that's that. And then so we're gonna create a new order, right? And then we're gonna store it. I've already explained this part in my past videos. I even gave an analogy, so we're not gonna touch that. So for this, because for the details, right? In the details part, there could be more than one products or more than one product that the user might add. Yeah, like it can go as much as many as possible. My God, did you know that I actually work for a what do you call this, like a web developers company, and they gave me the title of junior programmer. What the fuck? Junior web developer, not junior programmer, dudes. And actually, my what do you call this? Supervisor, my supervisor was having a problem because she was thinking of what could be a better way to present like I want to type the code. I mean, I want to type the numbers in each floor, right? So what if there are 100? I mean, I want to type the number of rooms in each floor. So what if there are 100 floors? Will there be 100? No, no. I mean, and my senior was like, why not just create an add row function like this one? I mean, and I'm like, so if there are 100 floors, there would be 100 input boxes here. So it's like a long list like that. Well, the problem is that's not the only input for the form. That's why that kind of approach is not good. And my face towards my senior was like, what the fuck? Yeah, but yeah, seniors have their pride. Anyways, so we're going back here, select the product ID, which we will get that, and it should save in this part, right? So where did we go wrong? Order details. Yeah, nothing is saved still. I think the problem is I'm not even saving the orders. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so orders, arrow, and then save, right? And then in here also we need to orders, arrow, and then save. What this means is we're gonna execute the query now, and we're not returning any response. So we're just gonna type here return what do you call this, how do you do the return again? Well, yeah, like I said, I mean, once I get the logic out of it, I sometimes forgot on how the code is. So we're gonna base it on the orders variable first, if it will work, before we can check the order details, right? So there, now we have our response. So by the end of the week, lotions 10. So that's gonna be by piece. Oh god, I don't know why do I have a wrong spelling there. And still an error, and that's still the response. I don't know why. Why? Hmm. So in here, yeah, okay. I think, yeah, we're not even getting the details actually. Look, sorry. Look, supplier product name, right? Do we have that here? No, we don't, right? That's why, or, well, I'm not really sure on how my code works already. I mean, okay. Let's try to read it, okay? Huh. Get product ID, supplier product name. Yeah, we're not actually getting anything, because in here it's getting it wants an input from supplier product name, but in here we don't have that variable or that name. I think this already work if it's just a single row, but right now it won't work. So we have the supplier ID. Yes, we have the supplier ID, we have the order date. Yep, we have the supplier name. We don't have the supplier name. Hmm. Children selected attribute ID, which would get okay. What? So I do. What is this? Delivery date supplier name. Okay, looks like this is totally out of date. So delivery date there. Employee ID get user ID. Yeah, looks like we had a mistake there. That's delivery date also. 31, QWERTY, 10. That would be piece. Click on add. Yep, still an error. And that's still the output. Why is it? Why is that the output though? But let's say we comment this first, because that's, I think this is not yet still functional, right? So let's now go to the orders. YouTube another today. At the end of the date, QWERTY, quantity, then piece. So in the console, my god, why is it? Why does it has a response like that? What the fuck is going on? Hmm. I don't get it. Why did I input this? Oh, by the way. So, post add cost, right? Hmm. Am I basing it from the add form? Right here? Is it right here? Model to add orders. Hmm. Oh, okay. So this is my basis. But yeah, that won't totally work actually. Wanna know why? Because what we should do here is create another variable for that one, that one, and then just put there any variable like here any variable, or better yet, just copy paste this and paste that there. Delete, put a comma because it's syntax. Don't ask why, it's just syntax. Put that there. YouTube, come on, fucking work already. QWERTY quantity 20 piece. Add. Oh shit, come on dude, why are you not working? Okay, there we go. Failed to load resource. Now that's a new. Oh yeah, okay, now we can see that it worked, right? Wanna know why it worked? Because because why did it work? Because it already triggered an event, right? Yeah, okay. The time is currently 2:36 and the fucking chicken is now on top of its lungs. I don't know why. But yeah, later let's do a vlog, shall we? So to fix that, we're just gonna put on top the post, so the post will load first before the get. Okay, you get it, or do you post it? Get the joke? No, I don't. Don't worry, you're not the only one who doesn't get the joke. So select YouTube, select the date today. Maybe we order date today, right? So delivery date, quantity 12. There we go. SAP. Click on add. Oh my god, what's the error? What is the error? It's a new error. That is good. Class apps order not found. I think we have an error in our controller. This one. App/order. Are you kidding me? So we don't have a model for order. Oh, because it's orders. This has no S. Sorry for that. So yeah, I don't know if yeah. So my voice is kind of fucked up because I am bored already and I want to throw this fucking laptop out of my house because of the errors. Anyways, QWERTY 12 sack of my balls. What's your error again, you punk? So just click, oh, the get method is not supported for this route. Supported method is post. What are you talking about? I did use post. Did I? I did use post, right? I did. Oh. Order/post. Order/add_order. That is correct. Everything's correct. I think we just need to reload. click on add again, select the variables, select the date today, select the end of this date, and that, and we have another error. Oh wait, it's a new error actually. Controller slash order not found. Controller. So we go to the controllers. It says is controller slash order. What? Orders. Orders underscore details. And let's just play it safe. No, I think. There we go. New orders. New orders. We're just missing the S part. So if you're gonna ask why, what's the error? No, it's just wrong naming. You know, it happens. Twitch. Select the date today. Select the end of the week. Quantity. Oh God, now my dog is barking like he will tear your balls apart. Anyways, failed to load resource. The server response. Blah 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 blah. Just click on it. Oh God, fuck off. Click on add new order from supplier. YouTube date today. Why haven't I set that to default by date today, right? I mean, oh, I don't know. Oh, suck these balls. Why? What's your error now? Try to get property ID of non-object. Oh, okay. So non-object, which means I'm using an arrow method for something that is irrelevant. You get what I mean by irrelevant? This is not needed because it's irrelevant. This is not an object. Maybe it's a string, maybe it's a list, maybe it's just a variable. We don't know until we test. So Control R to reload. Click on add new order from supplier. YouTube. Yeah, YouTube is good. And please do follow me on YouTube. I do a lot of crap, but I don't do edits. But don't worry, we'll get to that. What's the problem again? Oh, look, it ran, dude. Congrats. Yay. Wow. Oh my god, I'm going crazy for this fucking programming. Fuck. Give me 5 minutes to take a break. So our error is basically the model for the view, and why, what's this? Um, Anyways, shoutouts to Pocari Sweat, please sponsor me. Thanks. I don't know. What do we play later, League of Legends? We'll see about the frame drop, because I'm not using anymore the game booster, as it will really deteriorate the performance of my stream, which would make my stream lag, but my gameplay is not. And that would suck. Totally suck. Oh god. God. Wait, why are there a lot of unsend that, unsend that, unsend that. magic. Oh god, I wanna play some game. I'm already bored with programming. What the fuck? Hmm. I think I need to buy some drink later after I jog, right? Yeah, buy some. Yeah, buy some C2 gin. C2 gin? Sting gin. How much is a sting gin right now? I think 100 will do. Yeah, just give me a minute here, guys. Trying to chill. Yeah, anyways, so we're gonna go to our blade file here because we do have an error whenever the user clicks on the view button, right? So I actually, yeah, you already know that we have separated the view orders from supplier from the customer. So we're gonna go to the That's the add model. Oh, excuse me. You, excuse me. Anyways, this is button, print supplier. Okay, this is the one. Do you have any data target? Oh, view cost? Are you kidding me? Where's the supplier model view? Oh wait, this is just correct, am I right? Oh no, oh no. No, 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 it's not right. Data target. Let's remove that. I think we don't have any model for the view, right? Alright, for the view just yet. So let's go here. When the user selects from customer. When the user selects from the supplier. I think I think we're editing the wrong one. View supplier. View cost. So when I click this, this is gonna trigger this collapse div. That's why we have another. So let's empty that. That's just correct. This is the add. Okay, so the only thing we have is the add model. We don't have the view model just yet. Why don't we have the view model? Anyway, let's just create what's the template for the model? Let's just go to bootstrap right here. Bootstrap. Bootstrap. Bootstrap 4 model. Yeah, you can just do a quick Google search. That's done, you know. Get model bootstrap. Bootstrap 4 W3 schools. Because W3 schools provides a much more better. Oh, much more better things. Anyways, copy paste this part. Copy paste. Model body. There we go. So the ID is my model. Yeah, that's right. Oh shit. There we go. Now we have a model, right? For the customer. Does this actually work? Clever.com. QWERTY. Oh, it's the only one. It's the only establishment there. So yeah, 23 SAC still doesn't work. Why? Fail to load resource. Oh wait, no, this is the one. This is the error. Because I think we never did debug this one. Oh wait, it has a response. And I think it's still the same, is it? When the user selects from customer. Oh god. Do you know that feeling that you want to sleep but you can't sleep? Yep, that's the feeling. So this is the guy. So this is the add cost order. Let's just go to the Ajax part of that part. This is the one, right? So do you know what the reason why that's not working? Because we don't have the like the transaction type. We don't have that variable that it's saying that it came from the customer. This one, we don't have that one. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add that one. Pretty basic. Why? Because we need it. We basically need it because it's saying, I mean, if the, I mean, if what's this? If there is such a variable, or the variable add cost order is triggered or has value in it, this will trigger. But I mean, a while back we don't have this. That's why it's not triggering any condition here. So let's go again and add order. Okay, there we go. Quantity 1 2 3. Oh, sack. Add. There we go. Now it's adding. Okay, we did it. Yay! It didn't add anything. Why? Why didn't it add anything, huh? Anyways, customer ID. This is this one. Order date. This is this one. Delivery date. This is also this one. And then save. Everything's correct. Well, we have two inputs, but the customer ID. Wow. So the customer ID didn't have any input at all. Where is it? So this is always empty. That is because I think the implementation of the supplier name and the customer name is different. Yeah, there we go. Hmm. Why? So the inputs here in from customer establishment doesn't have like a ID. I mean the options doesn't have an ID. They have actually. So the only thing that doesn't work in here is on how we get it, on how we get the data. But it's correct actually. Because from the ID, I mean from the element that has this ID, it will get the customer ID. So why is it working, right? Oh shit! I see it. Do you see it? We have an incorrect spelling. What the fuck is going on? Yeah. My bad. So as you have also seen, the employee ID doesn't work. Why? Why? So we're using ASD River. Employee ID should be 1. So basically this, yeah, we shouldn't have this one, right? But it still doesn't work, right? What the fuck? Oh yeah, sorry for that one. I'm just going crazy again because this is programming, fucking programming. Anyways, so yeah, select the date today and date. Product name. Yeah, we should go. Fuck. Click on sec. Oh fuck. Did it error? Do I have an error? What the fuck is that, boy? What a bug. What? So it still stores in our database, right? But the only problem is we were not getting any customer ID. So what the fuck is your problem, eh? For the cost ID, orders cost ID, request customer ID. I thought it would work there. Okay, but the order date seems doing great. Can actually just get this one and then just output, paste that there, and comment this whole section, so there won't be any function that would run. Okay. Oh, what's this? Am I seeing some error? Okay, well, I'm not seeing some error. Click on add. It says what? So this actually has a value. It has the value 1. Oh gosh, dude. What I'm supposed to be using is add cost order, not add soup order, dude. I love programming. Anyways, from customer, click on clever corn, date today, click the end date of this week, quantity about 12, sack, click on add, reload, and we should have a data. What? Shut the fuck up. What do you mean cost establishment? Where? Orders.blade, which line number? Would you please display the line number 61? 61. Cost establishment. I mean, do I have the correct spelling? Get cost orders. How do I query the return? Cost orders, table orders, join customers. So it would join to customers table, right? So cost establishment, that is correct. Why? What's going on? What's that? Undefined property, cost establishment. Do I have the correct spelling? Oh, no letter E. What is the spelling of establishment? What line? 61? Okay, there we go. How do you spell establishment? Anyways, I'm not sure. Anyways, now it's not working, right? Let's go to our orders because we do have more than one. Can put one there also, and then there we go. Now it's working. Now for the view, well, actually for the view we can just put a single button for all. So this can be view order, right? And then the data target of the view, where is it? This one? There we go. And then the data target of this is that one. Click on add, there we go. Click on add, there we go. Done. Basically done, right? Basically done. Should we push for the output of the details? Oh god, I'm fucking lazy for this crap. Anyways, yeah, I think we should. We're just gonna put the details here. I mean, it's like the add new order actually. The supplier establishment name. We're gonna put the product list on the later, like for later. Anyways, here we go. Right, here we go. And then we're just gonna type it view order underscore details. Right. So we're gonna create another Ajax here. We can put it anywhere we want basically. So create an event here. Dot dot on click with the ID. What do you call it? What do you call it? What do you call that? Huh? What do you call this? View. Hmm. Can I put more than one ID in an event? I'm not sure. We're just gonna test anyways, right? This is programming. We can test anything we want. So what's your ID? You punk! Come on, give me. No, I think we can type this to view order and paste the same ID to our customer. We're gonna base. Let's see on how can we do this actually. So we're gonna create a data dash name indicating if that the order clicked is from the supplier or from the customer. Oh, this fucking shit ass motherfucking shit. But right now, I'm just thinking on what game I will play later. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, but I'm much more excited to show you guys a little about pentest etc. once I finish this fucking system. Or I don't know if I'll be able to finish this system anyways. Cause you know, a man needs to find a job. Anyways, function. But right now, since I don't have any full-time job, I can concentrate on this one, creating the inventory system until whatever we can reach, right? So, where is it? Where is it? What am I searching again? I don't know. What the hell am I searching? Oh, I should have put a data dash name already. Data dash ID also? Now I think we can get the data dash ID already. So in here, we can just put data dash name is equal to that came from the supplier, right? Supplier. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Actually, there we go. So if you're gonna ask me why is it data dash name, well, right now I can tell you that it's not already syntax. The only syntax in this part is data dash. That's it. And then here you can put in anything. Cause wait later. I'm gonna show you in the Ajax part. Okay. Oh, we did it already. We can just copy paste this piece of crap here, and then paste that here. Okay, there we go. We were almost finished with the code. So there and there and there we go. We'll just need to adjust some spacing because grid spacing will totally is good for coding standard, right? And if you're gonna ask, well, I'm the only programmer in my group, so okay, don't observe some coding standard, okay? Not my problem, but in my practice, I do coding standards wherever I go. So here, data that we need the data. There we go. So are we gonna go some get? Yes, we're gonna get some get. Which in here get underscore details. There we go. So next that we're gonna get is the data dash. What? No, yeah. Data dash name, right? No, that's not how you do it, right? So what we're gonna say here is uh, order source. Order source can be either customer or supplier, right? So in here we're gonna type in, how do you get the fucking data again? Yeah, we need the fuck. We need the ID of the button. What is the ID of the button? I think we can use this, you know, the keyword this. These nuts. Joking, just joking. Because I mean, what do you want? What do you want me to do? To type it, copy that, paste that there? That's too long. We can simply use this. Oh fuck! It would still be the same, right? It would still be same. What this means is this. Get it? This. Well, I don't have the camera to further explain. So anyways, in here we can just put that data, open close parentheses, type their name. Now you get what I mean when the only syntax there is the data dash. Get it? Because in the upper part, the only syntax there is data dash. That's the only syntax. As for the rest, you can name it to whatever you want. Let's say data dash your mom. I mean dash mom. So in here we'll just type mom, and then we'll get the value that we assigned there. But of course, we won't use data dash num. That's I don't know. Anyways, data dash name. I mean data name. Now we get the data name. Now we get the order ID, right? The order ID. Do we get the order ID? Yes, we do get the order ID, right? Right. Anyways. Where is it? Data dash ID, paid supplier ID. Hmm. I'm trying to see now. I'm. What the fuck is going on here? Wait, do we actually need this kind of ID? No, I think the supplier ID shouldn't be the ID that is in here. It should be the order ID, right? Order ID. So that should be order ID. Am I right? Anyways, print supplier ID. Let's make sure that we are getting the supplier ID. Right. Anyways, where is it? Print supplier, get supplier orders, get supplier orders. There we go. Orders, join. Yeah, we'll totally get the fucking order underscore ID. So, anyways, in the same here also, we should get that, print that, and there we go. So this is the order ID, and then we're just gonna go do this, the data, then ID. There we go. Oh god, something just passed me. I don't know what the fuck is that. Anyways, I don't care. More. Okay. Oh god, we're 2 hours in with our lesson today. Okay. Now we have the order ID, the order source, the supplier name. We don't need that shit. I mean, we don't need this. Oh god, why do I have food in my mind? Anyways, we're gonna add this to our routes here. Routes web.php. Then just copy that, paste that there. Copy this again, once again. Paste that there. There we go. Orders controller. We're just gonna create with oh god, get underscore details function. And then we're good to go. Now we're just gonna create a function here that will get the details. Why is there a fucking get products? Yes, because we need that. Okay, we need that. So public, of course. Okay. Public function get underscore what the fuck, get underscore details. Right. So request, and then the variable request, so we can access it. And then there we go. So So okay. Next that we're gonna do is we're gonna get the order source first, right. We need that. Okay, we need that. So first things off, let's create another variable that get that is supposed to get the source. I mean, get. So in here we will either get, I mean, supplier or customer. So get request, and then we're just gonna get the order source, and in our if function we're gonna put the get underscore source, that if it is equal to customers, please press 1. Joke, no joke, that's not a joke. I don't know how to joke. Anyways, it's either suppliers or customers, right. Anyways, if success, just console.log for now, so we can just see first on what the hell they did return. Going back to the button, on the view button, where is it? Where is the view button? Okay. What? So it's either supplier or customers, right? I don't know if my parents can hear me, but what the fuck? Anyways, so this should be customer. I don't even know if my neighbors can hear me, but I don't care about them. Their dog is noisy as fuck when it comes to morning, so this is my time to shine. Anyway, so this is else if. Oh, wait, does PHP has its own else if? My god, programming languages, so I can't just agree on one. Anyways, get. What the fuck is going on? Get source of fuck off, dude, fuck off. So if that is equal to supplier only, as you may have seen here, there is no s, right? There is no s. So there we go, right? There we go. So first off, we're just gonna say return fuck. That's done. And then this return you. Okay. Now let's test it. Okay, let's test it first. Test it first. Okay, test it first. Click that. Let's go to our console here. There, you. Fuck you. Why did it print you? Because the get source is equal to supplier. So right now we can actually execute a return query. Right. Well, in doing so, we what the fuck am I saying? We can just get this query, get that query, go here, paste that there, and then there we go. No, fuck off, dude, fuck off. Anyways, order tables, get that, this one, what the fuck am I doing? Where is our, so we just need to add a where keyword, right? You understand what I'm saying? I'm not explaining that fast. I mean, my speed right now is just good. Anyways, so what I'm saying is we need to add another function there, that is where. Right. You remember how to use our where, right? Hopefully you do. Oh god, I'm going crazy. What the fuck is going on? What is the time? 3:16 a.m. What the fuck? Oh god. Anyways, okay. Yeah, we're gonna get the data, right? We're gonna get the data. So orders, supplier ID, that's correct. The query is correct. We just need to build the where. How do you use the where again? Okay, that's how you use it. That's how you use it, you piece of shit. Get this, because this is for the suppliers. We just need to change this. We're gonna get the order ID. Well, actually, this is actually for both of them, right? For the both of them, because what? Order underscore ID request supplier name. No, that's not the supplier name, right? We're not gonna equate the supplier name. And then view order button. Yeah, that's correct. So order ID. Just gonna type that. Just gonna paste that there. Now that we're done. Okay, yeah, you get it. Okay, good. I'm not getting any questions, so that's good. I think you get it, right? So get it. Now we're gonna return. We're gonna return it. You can just copy paste this, paste that there, copy paste another one here, and then yeah. So any questions? Okay, none. We don't have any questions in our, well, I am on live stream. And I don't know if do I have any viewers. No, I don't think I don't have any viewers. So right now I'm just talking to myself. So myself, do you have any questions? None. Okay, that's good. Anyways, right here. So let's reload the button. Click here. Click add. Okay. Oh God, we receive an error. What the fuck is the error, dude? What the fuck is the error? Column not found. What the fuck is column not found? Huh? Order underscore ID. Incorrect clause or order under what? You're joking. You're joking, right? You're joking. Fuck you. You're joking. Order underscore ID. There is such a fucking table. You fucking maggots. Order. Order. My god, the spelling. Fucking programming. Anyways, let's go test once more. Click on that one. Oh shit, did it work? Did it work? Or am I gonna get fucked? Okay, it worked. Congratulations to us, to everyone. To everyone. Holy shit, my body is heating up. Wait, I think I need to remove my sweater right now. I'm heating up. Seriously, I'm heating up. Okay, BRB, I need to take a shit. Oh. Okay, now I'm fucking cold. I need to wear my sweater again. Anyways, we're almost done, guys. We're almost done. I think. I mean, yeah, we're almost done, guys. So, did we test both customers and suppliers? I don't think we did it, right? We didn't. Yeah, there's a cost. Oh, we did. So amazing. So much wow. Okay, what the hell am I saying? Anyway, so what we're gonna do is just, I mean, we can just do a simple output to the fucking model. You know the fucking model? Get the fucking model. Okay, okay. I think I need to. I mean, what do you call that? I need to. What the fuck am I saying? Huh? I need to lessen my cursing. I mean, I'm the one running this stream, so shut the fuck up. If you don't want to fucking watch, then shut the fuck up. It's class, that's why we're using dot, right? So that HTML, and just print the data there, and our life is over. Yay, hooray! We all dead now. So for the model heading, yeah, we can change that to something, I don't know. Details as title, I guess. Copy that. We should be getting some supplier name or customer name, right? Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think we would be getting such. Anyways, I think we can just test it as it is first. Oh, and I forgot the command. Do we need the command for the fucking model? I'm not sure. Let's try, shall we? There we go. Oh, wow, amazing. Yeah, I think so. We need to further improve on this. So you can't just paste the response as it is. You still need to take it one by one. You know, like taking it apart, taking the results apart, and displaying them one by one. So we'll do that very quickly. Actually, we're just gonna do a speed run. You got that, guys? You got that? So first is we're just gonna go to supplier establishment name. My God, I swear to God. Uh, let's just copy paste the add the form for the supplier order. Okay, so it would be much more faster. Here we go. This is the form, get the end and the closing of the form. Paste that here actually. Yeah, holy shit. I don't like that would take us much more time. Anyway, so for the supplier ID. Anyways, guys, for my outro, I think I'm gonna work on it later. Right, because outro is good. Yes, so in here we're gonna say oh right. We still need to see if it's a supplier or a customer, right? So order source, can we actually do this? Is equal to supplier and then another, and then the else part. Actually, else if, how do you do an else if in JavaScript? It's the same as Java, that is, you can see it on your screen, right? Supplier, customer. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Also, so in here we're just gonna console.log. Holy shit, I didn't save the fucking ID of the fucking model. So view or here we go. Oh god, there we go. Dot HTML, right? So first is supplier establish. What do you fucking spell establishment? Establishment. Oh, establishment. Shement. There we go. Establishment space. So data located on the 0 that establish. How did we spell it in here? Dude, just fucking hell, dude. There we go. And then the reason why I'm doing the \n, so it would, next line, you get it. Okay, you get it. Let me put that there, \n. What's the next part? Supplier first name there. Data on 0 dot there we go. Oh, so for the first name, next is the last name, of course, right? Supplier last name, and then data 0 sup what's this again? There. Okay, so for now, guys, for now, so I can concentrate on the typing, is what I'm doing is just creating the output. Okay, if that makes sense. This is what you will see on the screen. This is what I'm accessing the data by using this one. Okay, so an explanation to this code is since why is it data? Because I use data to get the response from the back end. So whatever is in here, this is it. And why I'm using 0? Because it's in 0. It's in at index 0. And dot sup last name, because that's the name. If you want to learn more, please do read more about arrays. I think this is associative arrays. Read more on that. So the next is supplier last name. Last name. What is the next thing that you want to see after the fucking, what do you call this? After the last name, you want to see the contact number, right? So that's the next part. Supplier contact. Oh god, contact number. Data 0 that. Oh god, shut up. Oh, anyways, I mean, what's that? I'm still what do you call this? I'm looking for work. Well, of course I can show you that. Are you idiots? I already sent you, yeah. Give me for a second, okay, guys? Because someone is telling me that I'm not receiving. I mean, they're asking if I'm receiving their email, but I already sent my response. Yeah, just give me a minute here. Hmm. What would be the time that would be great for me for a call? Yeah, guys, another tip for you is if you're gonna go full-time streaming, but you're not yet. I mean, you're not yet financially assured. I mean, you don't have any sponsors, etc. I think it's better to try corporate stuff first or have a part-time, right? And once you're and yeah, you can still do streaming, but that is after work. If you want to be on a safe play like manner, right? Gather some savings first before you commit to your dream. Because it will hurt if you're just gonna go, I mean, whatever YOLO, let's do full-time streaming without even looking for a job. But yeah, it's better to be financially assured first before you can do full-time streaming. That's my way actually. And yeah, I'm still thinking of being a full-time streamer whenever the time comes or whenever the time is right. Because yes, there is a time when everything will be on the right track. Yeah, totally. You will feel it when the time is on the right track. I mean, you'll feel it. Like seriously, you'll feel it. Anyway, so the next is the full address. That type that there, data 0 dot. So what's the next? Supplier contact number. What's the name? Supplier full address. That's there. Uh, hmm, okay, there. Okay, supplier full address. What's the next part? That is municipality. Municipality. Data 0 province dot type that there plus supplier province. Yeah, it's province. Copy that, paste that there, data 0. Are we done? Supplier province. I think it's better to test it first, right? Let's test it first if it will work now. What? It didn't work. I think we have an error or the source is not defined. Yeah, exactly, because I think it's better to instantiate this variable in a global like manner. Or what we can do is create another one here, somewhere in here. Let's say console.log data, because I mean, sorry, I mean, if you're gonna click the button here on from suppliers, it will have a different response from the button when you click from customers, right? It's gonna return something that is unique. For example, the soup underscore establishment. So how can you say that? I mean, so in here, oh god, what the fuck is going on? If data on the zero, that is not equal to no, I mean it's not equal to blank, then run this. Else, so what is for the customer, right? I mean, what is for the customer? Let's click on one. There we go. Oh, it's cost establishment. Else if data on 0 dot dot is not equal to blank, just shit. I mean, fuck you. Just print, oh fucking JavaScript. Just print alert fuck. Anyways, control refresh. Press that. Why? Why is it not working again? Oh, is it working? It doesn't do any error? Oh, really? No errors? Really? So just nothing? Really? Fucker? It's not even doing anything? What the fuck? Okay, I think it's better to set this as global variable, like in here. I mean, like, yeah, totally in here on top. You can just say var. Yeah, so this we can already replace it with that one, and replace this again, bring back to normal, you know. So is this for supplier? Yes, this is for supplier. Oh come on, what time is it? I was supposed to play at least one game, because we need to prepare by 4:30 if we're going to jog. Okay, supplier, customer, there we go. Unexpected token, where? Oh dear, I forgot. This isn't Ajax inside an Ajax anymore, so the colon doesn't work. It's supposed to be equal, right? Control refresh. Yeah, what the fuck, dude? So nothing still works. Oh, there we go. Fuck. That's good. So it's the only problem is it's not replacing. It's not replacing anything, right? So where is it? Where's our view? It does console.log, but it doesn't execute this one. Huh, why? Why? Is it ID? No, it's class, right? It's class, dude. It's class, you fucking retard. Hold on, let me get my eyeglass. I mean, the fucking screen is already hurting my eye. So the backslash n doesn't work here. Is it backslash n? Do I need to add the space? Yeah, I totally forgot on how you do this, but I think we use that in our employee module. Oh, used BR. Okay, so we can just say BR there. There we go. Now we have the view. Okay. So what's next is supplier province. Um, what's next with supplier province? Order date? Yeah, totally. We need the order date and delivery date, and I think that's it. We're done. So order date, I think we still need to fix the order date. Am I right? Yeah, it only. Oh, no, that's the order ID. We should get this one. I think yeah, after this stream I just need to prepare myself for the jog, right? But please stay tuned to my channel. I'm gonna post like a tour visit to Baguio City. Yeah. Anyways, there we go. So what's next or after order date? Delivery date. Fuck you. Delivery date. Anyways, I don't know. You want to play some Minecraft, guys? Later, after I jog, just send me an invite through my Discord. Are we done? Because that was the only thing that we're missing, right? Okay, we're done. Fuck 345. Anyways, next thing is this piece of shit. Fuck yeah, fuck you too. Let's remove the console.log there. Let's move it here. There we go. So there we go. Oh yeah, we need to get the fucking this one. Oh, there we go. You see that, bitch? I mean, you see that crap? I mean, yeah, you see that? You see that data? I'm not sure. Yeah, just replace that, and then what we're gonna do is customer establishment. I think about everything we just need to replace the customer, right? I mean, from supplier to customer, and then most likely we're about to finish. So establishment, first name, first name, paste that, last name, copy paste that too. Support contact number, we do have the contact number. There we go. Copy paste that there. The email, here we go, we have the email. Paste that there. Support full, I mean the customer address, full address, right? Full address, where is the full address? Here we go. Location underscore full address. Wait, what the fuck is wrong with my naming convention here? There we go. Municipality is the next one. Copy paste, location province, copy paste, order date, copy paste, delivery date. Where's delivery date? Copy paste. And I think there's something new, which is the business type. So wait, customer underscore email. Okay, so I think after the establishment we should put the, what do you call this, like the business type, right? Customer, like the business type, and then data underscore business type. There we go. Done. We're done, basically done. Done as bitch as motherfucker. Yeah, we're done, guys. Hooray! Clap yourselves. No, I don't mean it in a bad way. I mean clap yourselves. What the fuck? Anyways, that's that. Yay, we're done. Yay, hooray! Clap, hooray! Yay! We already finished. Yeah, I think so. Users, orders. Oh yeah, we forgot to mention here orders. Close that, and this son of a bitch go to task manager and the fucking SAMP, cause fuck that app. It will not respond if you if you, what do you call this, end task, you know. I think we're gonna play LOL. You wanna play LOL or you wanna play Minecraft? I think we're gonna play LOL. Apache HTTP server. Who's running that? No one wants that. Anyways, okay, the sub is good. We're gonna do cd dot dot. Can you see my screen here? Anyways, so there we go. So git add everything and git commit dash m, and then we're gonna say updated choo updated the system, added the view, and refined add function in what's this, orders module. And then we're gonna git push origin master, and then let's wait for that to finish before I can even conclude my fucking stream. Okay, yeah, I think so anyways, for now, since we're done, I think we'll just move to just chatting, and we're gonna fix some good crap on my stream. Okay, so yeah, so there you can see my I mean, what do you call that, Streamlabs. I'm not sure on what to add for my end scenes. Hold on. Mm, yeah, I don't have any video, I mean, for as an outro. Holy shit, dude, there are new free games actually. These are legit games, okay? I'm not advertising pirated ones because I don't do pirated games, but do you think this will be good for my end stream? Right? I mean, you can see it. Oh shit! Did I just fuck up for a minute there? Okay, guys, and that would end my stream right now. I sure hope you enjoyed my stream, and please do follow me on Twitch and subscribe to my channel in YouTube. Wait, why am I asking you to fucking follow me on my stream? I mean, my Twitch and YouTube. Anyways, goodbye, guys. Bye. Bye.